In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a KML file in Google Earth Pro. Now to do this, first you want to open your KML file. So go to the top left, click on File, then click on Open, and from here you want to find your KML file. So I have one over here. If it's not showing for you, click on down here at the bottom right and switch this to Google Earth. So it could be anywhere over here. Just scroll and look for Google Earth, click on it, and then KML files are going to show. So click on the KML you want to open. I'm going to go with this tutorial one I created for the purpose of this video, and I'm going to click on open. Now when you have a KML file, you can see over here it's now inside your places, and what you can do is extend it by clicking on this arrow next to it, and there we go. These are the contents. Now if you want to edit your KML file, you want to right click on any of the things in here. I'm going to click right click on this place mark, and I'm going to click on properties, and there we go. I can now move it around. I can change its style, color, or whatever, as you can see, just like this. And then of course, whenever I've done this, I can hit OK, and I've successfully edited the KML file. Now you can do this for any of these contents as long as they of course allow you to edit them like that. Okay, then don't forget to hit OK, otherwise your changes will not be saved. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.